and welcome to this quick video demo on Miro Consultant Plan. My name is Kate and I'm product manager here in Miro. And today I want to tell you more about use cases that you can have now with your new plan. First, I just want to highlight some new functionality for you. Now you can have as many boards as you want. You can export your boards in high quality without a watermark. You can invite your clients and colleagues to view or comment without sign up. Now you can have voting and timer feature and variety of integrations. Plus, we have some special features that enable your collaboration with your clients, multiple teams for you to manage your clients separately and in private workspaces. Moreover, now you can have advanced user management to organize users in your account and control how they use their licenses. And last but not least, day passes for collaboration with occasional users. This type of license give you 24 hours access, and you don't need to pay for the full license if you work with someone occasionally. Now let's move to the common use cases that leading consultancies already had with Miro. First one is workshops. As a consultant, you must have a lot of workshop and spend much time on preparation, on making one, and then working with the deliverables. And actually, all of that you can do in Miro. For that, we have some special features, and I just want to show you them. Timer to track time on different types of exercises. Voting feature to choose the best idea and making decision together during the workshop. Frames to easily organize the content that you have for the workshop. Presentation mode for you to make presentation in Miro. And screen sharing for you to take the stage and show something to other participants and for other users to be aligned with what's going on during the workshop. And even if you have your workshop offline, we have some very powerful feature for this as well. It's sticky recognition for you to digitize your sticky notes from a physical whiteboard to a Miro board with a single photo via mobile or web. Brainstorming that can happen at every stage of the project. So you need an unlimited space to capture all the content and ideas that you have in your mind. For that, you can use Miro as well. And we have some features. Voting, as I already mentioned, stickies for you just to have everything that you have in your mind on the board. So you can use mind maps to structure your ideas. Or if you use some tablet, you can try smart drawing function. Hey. Well, as a consultant, you might have a lot of different meetings and try Miro to speed up the process, and especially if you work distributed. You can use cursor flow for to see where everybody is on the board. You can create text to structure the information, or if you have your meeting offline, you can have sticky recognition as well. During your work, you need a place to have all the information for your project, a library with different type of content. Maybe you need to show your client some project journey or the big picture of your project, and Miro can help you with that as well. For that, we have mentions in comments, so you don't miss anyone's comment. Moreover, you can embed different types of content to the board, and you don't need to go back and forth to different tools. You can have everything in the board, and you can track activities of other participants just to see what's going on here on the board. And my favorite one is making presentation and getting feedback from your client. You don't need some additional tools for that. If you have your job done in Miro, you can get feedback and making presentation in Miro as well. We have different sharing options, so you can share the board with email or with the link for your client to view, comment, or edit something. And if you don't want to force your client to sign up in Miro, you don't need to. Your client can comment something without even a sign up. You can use mention in comments and some types of emoji voting for you. I really like this tool. Yes, and for making presentation, we have some tool as well. Presentation mode, screen sharing frames, as I already mentioned to you. And if you making your presentation in PowerPoint and you need to insert something from the Miro, you can export the whole board of, for example, the frame as image in high resolution and insert it to your PowerPoint. And if you miss some function here, or for example, you can't see voting feature on your menu, you can go to our marketplace and see different types of apps and integrations that we have. Thanks. So that was the common use cases that you can have now with Miro. And if you use Miro for something else, just text me and I will add your use case for this demo. Thank you. Bye.